Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Tired of being told what to do, when to work, when you can take a break, and waiting every week for a paycheck that never quite seems enough? Or maybe you're currently unemployed, scrolling through job ads every day, sending resume after resume, hoping someone finally gives you a chance. Well, what if instead of waiting for opportunity, you created your own? Because right now, all across Australia, ordinary people are starting simple service businesses from home using basic tools, a vehicle, and a willingness to work. No fancy office, no expensive degree, no massive startup costs, just practical services people genuinely need. And while some people overlook these kinds of businesses, others are quietly building full-time incomes from them. Today, we're looking at 25 cleaning and washing service businesses you can start from home. These are practical businesses, not fantasy businesses, not get-rich-quick schemes. These are real services ordinary people are already offering right now in suburbs all across Australia. Many of them can be started part-time. Many require little to no formal qualifications, and some people are making serious full-time income from them. The key to success with these businesses is to be specific. Don't just say, I do cleaning. Instead say, I clean driveways. I wash windows. I clean solar panels. I clean wheelie bins. Specific services are easier to market, easier for customers to understand, and easier for people to search for online. So here are 25 cleaning and washing businesses you can potentially start from home. 1. Window washing. Window washing businesses clean residential and commercial windows, glass doors, pool fencing, shop fronts, and outdoor glass panels. Many customers hate cleaning windows themselves, especially high or difficult to reach glass, which creates strong repeat business opportunities. Main tools required include squeegee, bucket, window cleaning solution, extension pole, microfiber cloths, ladder. 2. Car washing. Mobile car washing services travel to homes or workplaces to clean vehicles inside and out. Some operators start with simple exterior washes and eventually expand into full detailing services with higher pricing and repeat customers. Main tools required include pressure washer, vacuum cleaner, buckets, car cleaning chemicals, towels, and hose. 3. Gutter cleaning. Gutter cleaning services remove leaves, dirt, mud, and debris from roof gutters to help prevent water overflow and property damage. This can become highly repeatable seasonal work, especially in leafy suburbs. Main tools required include ladder, gloves, leaf blower, bucket, safety gear, and gutter scoop. 4. Carpet cleaning. Carpet cleaning businesses remove stains, dirt, dust, and odours from carpets in homes and offices. Many customers are willing to pay premium prices for deep cleaning before inspections, moving house, or after pets and spills. Main tools required include carpet cleaning machine, carpet cleaning chemicals, vacuum cleaner, and brushes. 5. Floor washing. Floor cleaning services clean tiles, vinyl, timber, polished concrete, and commercial floors. Some businesses focus on residential homes while others target offices, gyms, and retail spaces. Main tools required include mop, buckets, floor scrubber, cleaning chemicals, and vacuum cleaner. 6. Pool cleaning. Pool cleaning businesses help homeowners maintain clear and healthy swimming pools by cleaning surfaces, balancing chemicals, and removing debris. Pool owners often prefer ongoing maintenance services rather than doing it themselves. Main tools required include pool vacuum, pool net, water testing kit, pool chemicals, and brushes. 7. Driveway washing. Driveway washing businesses use high-pressure water systems to remove dirt, oil stains, mold, algae, and grime from concrete and paved surfaces. The before and after results are visually satisfying and market extremely well online. Main tools required include pressure washer, surface cleaning agent, hose, degreaser, and safety boots. 8. Yard cleaning. Yard cleaning services remove leaves, branches, rubbish, weeds, and general outdoor mess from residential properties. Many customers hire these services before inspections, selling homes, or after storms. Main tools required include rake, leaf blower, trailer or ute, gloves and garden bags. 9. Exterior house washing. Exterior house washing businesses clean the outside walls of homes to remove dirt, mold, cobwebs, and weather stains. This service is especially popular in humid or coastal areas where build-up occurs quickly. Main tools required include pressure washer, soft wash chemicals, hose, extension poles, and safety equipment. 10. Garden cleaning. Garden cleaning focuses on tidying garden beds, trimming overgrowth, removing weeds, and improving the appearance of outdoor areas. Many people simply don't have the time or physical ability to maintain their gardens regularly. Main tools required include gloves, pruners, rake, garden bags, and shovel. 11. Roof washing. Roof washing businesses clean dirt, moss, lichen, and debris from rooftops to improve appearance and help maintain roofing materials. Because of the height involved, many customers prefer hiring professionals rather than attempting it themselves. Main tools required include pressure washer, roof safety harness, ladder, cleaning chemicals, and a hose. 12. Solar panel cleaning. Solar panel cleaning businesses help homeowners and businesses keep solar panels free from dirt and build-up that may reduce efficiency. As solar adoption grows across Australia, this niche continues to expand. Main tools required include soft brushes, purified water system, extension poles, safety harness, and a hose. 13. Air conditioner cleaning. Air conditioner cleaning services clean split systems, filters, vents, and internal components to improve airflow and reduce dust buildup. Many customers notice cleaner air and better performance after a professional clean. Main tools required include cleaning bags, coil cleaner, brushes, vacuum cleaner, and spray bottles. 14. Bin washing. Wheelie bin cleaning businesses wash and sanitize garbage bins to remove smells, bacteria, insects, and grime. This is one of the more overlooked but highly repeatable subscription-style service businesses. Main tools required include pressure washer, disinfectant, cleaning chemicals, hose, and gloves. 15. Mattress cleaning. Mattress cleaning businesses remove stains, dust mites, odours, allergens, and bacteria from mattresses. This service appeals strongly to families, allergy sufferers, and Airbnb property owners. Main tools required include steam cleaner, vacuum cleaner, upholstery cleaning agents, brushes, and sanitizer. 16. Couch cleaning. Couch cleaning services deep clean fabric and upholstered furniture to remove stains, dirt, pet hair, and odours. Many customers prefer restoring expensive furniture rather than replacing it. Main tools required include upholstery cleaning agents, steam cleaner, vacuum cleaner, and towels. 17. Barbecue cleaning. Barbecue cleaning businesses deep clean greasy grills, hot plates, burners, and outdoor cooking equipment. Many people love using barbecues, but dislike the difficult cleaning process afterward. Main tools required include degreaser, scrapers, steel brushes, cleaning cloths, and gloves. 18. Dog washing. Mobile dog washing businesses visit customers' homes to wash and groom dogs on site. Busy pet owners often prefer the convenience of mobile services rather than transporting pets elsewhere. Main tools required include dog shampoo, portable tub, towels, dryer, and grooming brushes. 19. Tile cleaning. tile cleaning businesses restore dirty indoor and outdoor tiles by removing stains, grime, and build-up from both tile surfaces and grout lines. Dramatic before and after transformations can help attract customers online. Main tools required include tile scrubber, pressure washer, cleaning chemicals, grout brushes, and a mop. 20. Stove and oven cleaning. Oven and stove cleaning services remove baked-on grease, carbon buildup, food residue, and stubborn stains from kitchen appliances. Many homeowners consider this one of the most unpleasant cleaning jobs and happily outsource it. Main tools required include oven cleaner, scrapers, degreaser, sponges, and gloves. 21. Bathtub and shower cleaning. Bathroom cleaning services target soap scum, mold, calcium buildup, stains, and grime inside showers and bathtubs. This can be offered as a standalone service or combined with full house cleaning packages. Main tools required include bathroom cleaners, scrub brushes, gloves, sponges, and mold remover. 22. Refrigerator cleaning. Refrigerator cleaning services clean inside fridges and freezers by removing stains, spills, odours, and expired food buildup. This service is especially useful for busy households, elderly customers, and rental property cleanouts. Main tools required include cleaning sprays, cloths, gloves, odour removers, and small brushes. 23. Patio and deck washing. Patio and deck washing businesses restore outdoor entertainment areas by removing dirt, mould, algae, and weather staining. Outdoor living is huge in Australia, which creates ongoing demand for these services. Main tools required include pressure washer, broom and brushes, surface cleaner, and a hose. 24. Garage cleaning. Garage cleaning services help customers declutter, remove rubbish, clean stains, and reorganise storage areas. Many people accumulate years of unused items and eventually want help reclaiming the space. Main tools required include broom, vacuum cleaner, pressure washer, storage bins, and a trailer or ute. 25. Fence washing. Fence washing businesses clean timber, metal, and vinyl fencing to remove dirt, algae, mould, and weather stains. Fence cleaning can dramatically improve curb appeal and is often combined with driveway or exterior house washing. Main tools required include pressure washer, cleaning solution, brushes, hose, and safety glasses. A lot of these businesses don't require formal qualifications and can begin with a ute, trailer, or hatchback. Basic equipment from Bunnings Warehouse. Facebook Marketplace advertising. Local community Facebook groups. Flyers in local suburbs. A Google business profile. And eventually, a website if you want to look more professional and serious long term. The big advantage with these kinds of businesses: very low startup costs. Many can start part-time, strong local repeat customers, word of mouth growth, cash flow can start quickly. Some can scale into teams later. In Australia, many people start these as sole traders with an ABN, small local service brands, mobile services operating from home, and importantly, many customers care more about reliability, showing up on time, communication, fair pricing, consistency. Sometimes the simplest businesses are the ones hiding the biggest opportunities. If you're seriously thinking about starting one of these businesses, check out biznippet.com.au to see whether these kinds of services are already operating, or at least advertising in your local area. You might discover there's strong competition, or you might discover there's very little at all. And sometimes that gap in the market is the opportunity. Because if people in your area need driveway cleaning, gutter cleaning, window washing, or bin cleaning, but hardly anyone is promoting those services locally, that gives you the chance to position yourself as the go-to business in your chosen field before everyone else catches on. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe. And remember, sometimes the biggest opportunities aren't complicated businesses. They're simple services people need every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.